Welcome to the Cash Discounting Professional feature video. We're going to talk about all the features that Cash Discounting Professional offers. The app was designed for use by experienced Clover reps, and that means you know what your features you need. If there's a feature we don't offer, please let us know at help@appheaven.us, help@appheaven.us. Okay, we'll be glad to add any features very quickly. The app does work on all Clover devices. That includes the Duo and the Flex, and includes tethered devices. The app will work with Payments Plus for the Sale app only, and it'll work for Register Lite or the Essentials plan or any higher plan with all the full features for the inventory. We do raise the price. We do raise the price of all the inventory up to 2 decimals, which is really nice, and you can choose any price that you want as far as how much you raise it by, and then we'll offer a cash discount for the amount that you choose. The app will work to produce a dual column receipt. That means you'll have each item listed with a list price and a cash price. You can rename the list price as credit or regular price or whatever you want. It's customizable. Or you can choose just a cash receipt, which includes a credit price at the bottom, or you can choose a credit receipt with just the cash price at the bottom. We also support printing on the native Clover order receipt that you get from the dining app. And all the receipts will include tip suggestions at the bottom, okay? Other features, we do include the feature to be able to round to the nearest 5 or 9. This is useful for like a restaurant that wants to publish their credit prices, and they want their prices to look, look pretty good, and that includes ending each price in a 5 or a 9. We do offer charity rounding, and that's the ability to round up to the nearest whole dollar, as well as giving extra in addition to that charity rounding. It's also the ability to split out EBT payments, where any EBT items will be split into their own separate order with cash discount applied, as well as taxes removed. And we offer the ability to split orders from the register, just like you do in the dining app, where from the register, you can choose certain items that you want to split out into a completely separate order to pay for those. And each of the split out orders can be paid for by cash or credit. So all those are features. There's a number of little other features. We're going to talk about all these and how to use them in the setup video coming next. One last thing related to the setup is just to remember that if you make changes, those changes will be instantaneous. You can just tap done on that device. On every other device, those changes will be received after the first payment, or if you open the app. As soon as you open the app, you'll see sync complete. That means that the changes were received. If you make the changes online, then same thing. As long as they open the app, they'll receive the changes immediately, or as soon as they make a payment. So if you make changes online, you just want to make sure you remember that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the URL right here. If you need to make changes online, you can do that. You go to this website right here. You can save that, reports.appheaven.us/online/capapp, cashapp.php, merchant ID equals, and then you put in the Clover ID of that merchant. Okay, that's a 13-digit Clover ID. And that Clover ID, you can, like if you log into a Clover merchant account, you should be able to find it pretty easily. And so once you go to this website, then what you're going to see is what we're showing you right here. It's a website that's going to let you have all the same features available to you, and you can go through and you can change all the same features. You can raise the prices. You can audit prices. What that means is if you want to check and make sure every price was raised, you can press this button. This is also available from the cash discounting app. Okay, so you just want to make sure, however you do it, that if you do it from our website, and if you need more information about this, just reach out to us, help@appheaven.us, help@appheaven.us. Again, if you make changes from the website, those changes will become live when the merchant opens the app or after the first payment.